Guys, able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
ఎస్ అండి.
Okay, good. Okay, perfect, guys. So, guys, yesterday we had a discussion about the a composite report. Okay, and this composite report we discussed about the primary logic of the composite report. Composite report is nothing but a collection of sub reports based on the a controlled field logic. Okay, and also apply the a complex column wise calculations and row totals. Okay, it's nothing but a composite report. So generally, what cases we are using the composite report? For example, we have a two business objects, correct? In these two business objects, okay, in the a two business objects, there is no relation between these two business objects. Is it possible to create one report? No. As per work limitations, it is not possible. It means you will create the each business object as a separate report. It means two reports you are going to create here, and now you are going to call the these two reports into a single place. It's nothing but a composite report. It means we can call the multiple reports into one place by using the controlled field logic, and later we can perform the complex column wise calculations. Row totals is nothing but a composite report. So this is the a composite report primary logic we already discussed. At the time of creating the composite report, we can select the business object, correct? And the business object, whatever the business object you selected, from that particular business object, we are selecting the controlled field, correct? So this controlled field is a common group by expression of your subreports, either row grouping or it may column grouping, correct or not? And those reports we are able to access in the composite report under data section. So this is what you people can understand the foundations of composite report. Then we can able to build the n number of reports. Okay, guys. Perfect. Let's go to a composite report properties, guys. So this is the a composite report what we created yesterday, correct? And if you go to the settings button, so here you can see the a composite report, the properties, guys. So this is the business object section. Okay, what business object we are looking for, we can select here. And if you are looking for any specific style sheets, any different colors, borders, okay, or any you are looking for some specific tables look and feel, we can use. So generally, these bold to different blue colors, correct? It should be look and feel good for financial statements, and I'm really not sure whether it is really useful for the. You can try. This is what you can see. You want to see some kind of uh, mhm. Let me see the bold color. Okay, bold front and try. When you look into this report, okay, that output should be okay, should be coming as bold color. See, it was not the bold earlier. Now it is coming some bold color. The correct or not? Yes or no? It was not there look and feel like this. Yes or no earlier? online people.
Sir.
It just kind of, if you remove the bold, it will come normal. See, na? See the output. It should come normal. It should not be in bold. See, that's what. It's a different output outline structure. You want to see specifically, yes, this will helpful for us. Okay, so go to settings button. So a different style sheet, the outline structure you are looking for, we can use this style option. Okay, and the business object, you can also select multiple business object here, and also you can select the a multiple control field also. Multiple control field also. Okay, guys, header and footers. The header and footer, guys. You want to specify any headers and footers, you can define the headers and footers. For example, expressions. You take the your report prompt as a variable or data columns, right? Data columns means C2, C3, wherever you selected the data columns, right? The sub report columns, correct? And those columns you will create a variables, and those variables you are using the expressions, guys. Okay, for example, you want to take the data column C2 or C3, see na? You can take like this. So you can create this as a one variable, correct? And these variable, yes, you can refer the count variable means every one data column you should define as a variables, and these variables you can add the expressions. Okay, so you take this v1 plus v2 like this. Okay, sum of, okay, we can add this variable one. See, guys, how these some expressions you are adding, especially these logics should work only for financial reporting, guys. Really not useful for this. I can show you one financial report if you're really interested to learn these headers and footers. Yes, we can use the financial statements. Yes, we can define those headers and footers. We can display the beginning balance and ending balances of the fiscal periods. Okay, we can display those headers. But yes, you take that as a particular data columns, especially where you selected the sub reports, and those sub reports you are declaring as a variables, and you need to take these variables and write the expression what you are looking for in your header. Hope you understand. Online people, guys, 1 minute. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. See, guys, if you can see the income statement, income statement. Okay, income statement, outline columns, income statement. You can see the settings buttons. You can see the settings button. Okay, you can see headers and footers are not declared. Uh, yeah, we can see something column heading records we overwrite. It's okay. We can see any other report. balance sheet. See how the style sheets we designing, and I think headers are not declaring here. Only column headings override. We have defined that, and different drill down options output. Okay, especially if you run this balance sheet. Okay, it will give you in a single page. You can see how much cash we have, how much assets we have, how much liabilities we have. That complete balance you can see. Liabilities, forecast, balance. See that? It's very simple, yeah. If you are a financial background student, you can easily understand. And this should be, it is not possible to build everything in a single report, correct or not? So we should get everything into a composite report. Especially the financial areas, this composite report is one of the most important area. Only this composite report, we have a number of job opportunities in financial side. Okay, but in HCM we don't have much areas. Okay, so let me go to all composite report. Sorry, all custom report task. Let me go to the all custom report task, and especially the report type you are looking for, composite one. You will get the list of composite report which we created so far in the system. See, 15 days cash forecast. Okay, 15 days cash forecast report. You can see how these forecasting reports data is coming. What was the beginning balance and what was the ending balance? You can see from last 12 months data. Okay, you can see how the style sheet defining. Okay, it's pretty simple. So you must and should use the a control field, correct or not? It's a control field, and only one sub report you are calling, and but in the row level you are performing so many things, correct or not? In the row level we are performing so many items. Yeah, you can see. Okay, in 15 days. Okay, what is our opening balance? How much is cash inflow? 15 days. How much cash is outflowing? Inflow means how much cash you are receiving, correct or not? Cash outflow means how much cash we are paying to outside, correct or not? Online people. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, you started the date in 2021. Okay, so let me take this in 1st of January 2024. You can see from this particular time period, I think there is no balance for this. I think they did not enter any transaction for in 2024. Okay, so guys, this forecast balances income statement balance sheet for every report we taken almost 2 to 3 months of time to understand the requirement, talking to the chartered accountant people, and we designing that formulas and we creating everything in Workday. This is one of the most complex reports which we are designing in entire Workday system. Especially that's what these composite reports primarily important for the financial system. Okay, online people, hope you understand. Yeah, but few things we also created for
Yes.
HCM. For example, this is for actual budgets, all these financial reports, and you can see. mm, okay, let me take this. A benefit cost enrollment. This is also one of the real time report we created. Okay, remember we have a COVID, correct? So we have a COVID situation. Before COVID, my company benefits we paid around 90 lakhs. But after COVID, my company paying close to 2 crores. So my company CEO, my company vice president wants to see, hey dear Workday team, I still remember before COVID we are paying around 90 lakhs for benefits, but now we are paying close to 2 crores. I would like to see more details between the current year and previous year. The current year and previous year. What was the, for example, you take the 2021, either previous year. You take the 2021. You can take any 2 years, previous year and current year. If you run this report, we can see the output, who's the benefit provider and what benefit plan they provided, how many people elected for previous year and current year, what is the variations, correct? Online people see now? Aetna. So Aetna is a medical provider, correct or not? Online people, yes or no? Like HDFC, Ergo, Bajaj Health Insurance, correct? Aetna is also one of the company, their main services providing to the health benefits for in US mostly. See now, you can see guys in Aetna dental plan, the last year 2020 we paid 22,524 and this current year we paid same amount. No difference, correct? It means last year 43 people are there and this year also 43 people are there. There is no variation, correct or not? Online people, see now, you can see there is a, see this medical Blue Cross, the medical Blue Cross California. So the last year we paid this much amount, and this year we paid very less, correct or not? Comparing to the last year, and variation is different means 11% difference is there. What is that? You can see count. The last year they selected 7 people, and this year they selected 6 people. It means one people is variation. That's why this variation is coming. Correct or not? You can compare it, guys. Any 2 years you can compare it and see the very detailed result. Who is our benefit providers and what benefit plan they are providing? How much cost we paid last year? How much cost we paid the current year? And what is the variations? And you can see the variation percentage also. Similarly, the elected people count. Correct or not? Similarly, the elected people count also you can see, guys. Okay, you can take this as a very good example. This is a composite report. I can see this is my sub report, correct? This is my sub report, yes or no?
Yes.
So you can take this under the data section. Under the data section, we always refer them sub reports, you know. So this sub report, what is the common group by expression? Benefit provider and benefit plan, correct or not? So two
Yes.
row grouping expressions you are using, and this report, if you run, correct? If you are running this report, we always selected the specific year, correct or not? If you selected 2024, you will get the 2024 data, correct or not? There is no data for 2024. What about the 2023? You will get the 2023 data, correct or not? Okay, I don't see any 2023 data. 2022. Yeah, I could see 2022 data is there. 2021. See, guys, you can see who's the benefit provider, what benefit plan they provided, E means employee premium. ER means employer premium, correct? It means how much employee paying for this, how much employer is paying, company is paying. If you are mixing these two, then you will get the total cost, correct on that? And then how many people elected. That's what you can see. This is your matrix report. All benefit election is my data source. Benefit provider and benefit plan is my group by expressions. And see, I'm taking the sum of employee cost, sum of employer cost. You take this, see, this is the calculation. We are summing this together. See now, go to total benefit cost. See, you take the sum of employer, sum of employee, correct? Then you will get the total cost of benefits, correct? And that this is the total benefit cost. And you take the count. What count it will take? All all benefit election count you will get, correct? And that how many people elected the benefits? Those people count will get. But this report always run for specific year, correct? And that only 1 year it will run, not for multiple years, correct? And that. So what happened? So you go to the composite report. There are two row group by expressions, right? See, benefit plan and then benefit provider. There are two business objects we selected: benefit plan and benefit provider. Two business objects we are taking. Two business objects we are taking, and then two control fields you are creating: benefit provider and benefit plan. There are two control fields you created, and then you are selecting the data section. In the data section, what field you are selecting first? The total benefit cost you are selecting, correct or not? Which field you are selecting, guys? We take the count, this one, right? This field you are selecting here. When you selected that movement, what is this it will take? The effective date you selected as end date, right? Yes or no? Sorry, I think I was missing this first one. So take the first one. Edit this. You calling the sub report, and the effective date na, you take it as a start date. You are using this as a prompt, and then you are using the start date. Okay, guys. And again, I am going to call the same report you are calling, but here you are defining the effective date is the end date. It means same report you will call, but you are passing the effective date is dynamically, correct or not? See, C4 and C5. Then how you will get the difference, guys? How you will get the difference? Current year minus previous year, then you will get the difference, right? This is the calculations we are going to use, correct or not? It's a calculation. We use the a difference, right? Difference C5 minus C4. Then you will get the difference. Then how you will get the variation? The difference value divided by current value. Then you will get the exact percentage calculation value, correct or not? This is the 10th class formula, guys. Don't get confused. How you will get the variations? The difference value divided by current value. Then you will get the variations. That's it. This is for total benefit cost. The same thing for count. This is the current year count. This is the current year count. This is the previous year count. Then you will see the both the differences. Both the differences and the difference value divided by current value. Then you will get the percentage. And then you are taking the combined data. All the rows are combining, displaying the row totals. Okay. And if you go to outline, output, see now, the output we selected as a chart and table. In the chart also we are using the columns clusters, correct on that? And when you are running the report, there are two values you are passing: start date and end date, right? Okay. See now, in the prompt we are using the start date and end date. We just updated the labels are previous year and current year. That's it. And these are passing values dynamically on whatever the year you are passing, 2010 to 2020. If you are passing, this is the current previous year. This is the current year. That's it. This value passed dynamically into your sub report. You get the data and apply the formulas. The look and feel will come like this. See, in 2010 we paying this much amount. In this current year, this much we are paying. This is the variation. You see the how much percentage the variation is coming. So these kind of complexity. So these kind of complexity. Yes, we are going to use the a composite report. Okay, guys, the same report explanation I captured my interview manuals. What is the requirement of the composite report and what kind of approach you are going to build this report and what complexity which you feel, and you can just go through my manual. Definitely it will understand the end-to-end process. Okay, online people see now only one matrix report they created. The same matrix report we are calling multiple times with the different prompt values, current and previous year prompt values, and those prompts are passing dynamically here and getting those values and applying the calculations and also displaying the row combined data, correct or not, to displaying the row totals. This is one of the very good example for the financial, sorry, the HR system composite report. You can see this particular report. You can see the settings button. This is the property of report. You can see what was the style sheet we are displaying. You can see is there any headers you are using, not using any headers or footers. See the column headings we are using. Okay, you can open this column headings. What is column headings we are overriding here? Okay, this is the column header row. This is the column header row is okay. The second column header row, the first column header row. Drill down automatically should come automatically drill down. Output, share, share same as advanced, and then advanced report. I think this is the very simple. Only this report is not possible to call the integrations, except remaining properties are same properties of a composite report, same as an advanced report. You can see share option, output option. I think drill down you are looking means these all the columns are getting the drill down. You want to override any specific report drill down, you can override here. Otherwise, just leave it not required for this. Any column headings you can override here. Any header footers you're declaring here, you can do that and see the any style sheet, what all the business objects you are using. You can take an example here. Okay. So can you take this as a good example, guys? Okay, perfect. And this is one more example. So this is the one more example in Workday community. Okay. So I provided one more example. You just go through this one more real-time example, how the composite reports are created step by step and what is the business requirement. You can see very detailed process here. See now, this is the step-by-step composite report. Before creating the composite report, this is the sub-report 1 and sub-report 2. Okay, guys, I think this is very useful for your better practice. Okay, let's create the sub-report 1 and sub-report 2 by following the instructions, and then later you create the composite report one by one. See now, You can see, guys, this is the composite report. Forgot the security, you have all the required access. You can directly jump into create the, I think the first one you create the sub report one. See now, the sub report output look and feel will like this. And this is the sub report number two. The output is look and feel like this. And now you are creating the composite report. You see now, create custom report, select the composite report type. Okay. And select the business object. Okay, what business object we are selecting? Supervisory organization, and create the control field as a supervisory organization. Under the data section, we used to call your sub report 1 and sub report number 2. Okay, guys, and also apply the calculations. How we are applying the column wise calculations, and how you are selecting the column wise calculations. How different okay outline structures we can see the differences, and see how the style sheets are applying. You can see the style sheet how we are applying, and how you are creating the headers, footers, formatting options. The look and feel come like this. And you are also adding the headers, and also how to add the footers. You can see the headers and footers how we are adding. This is what a header you added, and this is what the footer we added. I think this is also one of the very good example for your better understanding of the composite report. So please go through this example as well and let me know if you have any issues. And guys, this is the benefit cost enrollment year to year. They have given 25 days of time to build this report by business stakeholders. Can't we build this report 25 days of time, guys? Honestly speaking, have you written any complex code here? No, right? See, this report is the your primary report, correct? All benefit elections, who's the benefit provider, and what benefit plan they are providing. They want to group by provider and benefit plan, and see how many people elected count, and how you will get the cost to, you will get the employee cost to employer cost. See, in generally in company level, if any benefits are there, that benefits are not completely provided by company. Some amount should be deducted from the employee level, some amount should be paid by company. That's why we'll take the sum of employee cost, sum of employer cost. You will take the both together sum, then you will get the exact cost of the benefits. Hope you understand, guys. But for this report, you always should run only for 1 year. Correct or not? This will not allow for multiple years. Any for specific year you can run. But my business would like to see a multiple years of data comparisons. Definitely, we should come to the composite report. Why? Because you want to get the comparisons and apply the calculations. Correct or not? This report should run only for 1 year. But my business want to see a multiple years. I can select the last year and current year. Sorry, the last year and this current year. I want to see who's the benefit provider, what benefit plan they provided, how many people elected, how much cost we paid. I want to see a single window, the complete comparison details. Do you think any other report is possible except composite?
No, sir.
No, guys. That's why, yes, I just created a composite report. I created the control field, my group by expression field, and I used to call my, just to take the empty section only. I used to take the cost of the current year, sorry, previous year, the cost of current year. How you will get the variation C5 minus C4, correct? Then you will get the C6. How you will get the variation, the differences divided by current value. Then you will get the differences. That's it. Same thing for count. And you combine the data, displaying the totals. 100% we are able to build the 25 days also. So much timeline. See, even though if you follow me my recorded session for 2 3 days, I'm sure definitely you are able to build this report without without okay struggling anything. The only thing is you need to understand what is the behavior of the composite report. This is very important. Anybody can learn advanced report. Anybody can learn matrix reports. but only few people must and should know these kind of quality of reporting structure in Workday. Okay, let's take this as a very good example for your real time. Let's go to this, and then you take one more example for the composite report. One more example. I also captured that link. Just go through this link, you will get that access. Okay, and you want to these two reports. I think is enough at this time. I will give you some more additional example when we will move to real time process. For interview process, I will give you few more additional examples. Okay, and very important thing you must and should know this the prompt set. What is that? Prompt set. See na prompt set. The start date and end date. See na. Okay, just logically see how many times this report you are calling the your sub reports. How many times you are calling? One time, two times, three times, and fourth time. Correct or not? Yes or no? Online people. This is what
Yes, sir.
one time you are calling you sub report. Data is nothing but you are calling your report. Data. See here. What is the prompt value here? Start date, right? And what is the prompt value here? End date,
Start
right?
date. End date.
What is the prompt value here? Start date. And what is the end value? What is the next prompt value here? End date. So generally, if you are running this report, you should get like this. You should get like this, guys. Yes or no? Because you are calling multiple times start date, multiple end time, right? There are four values are there prompt. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So is it really good? You can give you multiple times start date, multiple time end date. So these repeated prompts, how you will avoid the composite report, how you will avoid the composite report using the prompt set. What is that? Prompt set. See na? This is the task name. Create prompt set. This is the task name. You can directly give the values and this prompt set you will give the report and all your start date and end date should override. Only one time it will give you. Okay, these values should automatically pop into these four fields. Okay, for example, you take your composite report, guys. You take your composite report. In your composite report, how many columns we have? Huh? How many reports we have in this report? Sub reports.
4.
How many sub reports we have here? Huh? Three, right? All active and terminated workers, only active employees, and then job requisitions. Correct or not? Yeah. In these three sub reports, do you have any prompt values? No, right? Yes or no? Like
All job locations we
just
have.
yes or no. At least if you know that keywords, please let me know. Otherwise, I can close the session, man. Seriously, it is very painful. I'm telling these keyword n number of times for this batch. I don't know. If you are understand, say yes. If you are not understand, bro, please repeat. I have n number of patiencies. I can teach you whatever the way you understand. You people need Telugu, I can explain Telugu. You people need one more example, I will give one more example. It's very difficult, man. You understand? Yes. If you're not understand, no. Bro, can you repeat again? That's it. And why you people are joining Saturday, Sunday at 7 o'clock? Is it not the career? Why 24 people joined? I don't know. Where did you learn these things here? Why you people are keep and quiet and calm? Okay, if you are not able to speak, maybe your surrounding is very disturbance. Why can't you respond it in the chat at least? Say, yeah, understand. Yes, okay. Seriously, man. I don't know. You can see this matrix report. Do you see any prompt here? Nothing. Similarly, in your matrix report number 2, any prompt values? No. Do you see any matrix report number 3, any prompt values?
User defined, system defined
No,
prompt is
whatever it is, forget that. Whatever it is it any prompt values are there?
Yes, sir.
No, nothing. Who said this?
No.
When you're running this report, then you will get to know na, whether you have a prompt or not. You will get it here. There is no prompt value for matrix report number 1. Matrix report number 2 don't have any values. But when it comes to the matrix report number 3 is having the prompt value, only one prompt value. That's include evergreen requisitions. Then it's coming. Similarly, when you are running this composite report, if your sub reports are having any prompts, it will come like this. If you okay, then it will run the report. What I mean to say, for example, in your matrix report, matrix report, in your matrix report, you have a prompt value. For example, company is your prompt value. Okay. Okay, let's take this. You added one prompt value here. Correct or not? Secondly, in the report number 2 also, you added the company value. Company as a prompt. Correct or not? In the report number 2 also, we have a prompt value. Correct? Now, now we have. Similarly, in the report number 3, in the report number 3, okay, let me go to the report number 3 also. We have a company prompt. Now in your three sub reports, company is our prompt value. Correct or not? Okay, now go to your composite report. Maybe when you are running this composite report, okay, see the company is coming, right? Yes or no? Two times company is coming. Maybe third time company was not coming. Let me see why it is not coming third time. I think this one job requisition, right? Yeah, it's coming company. Okay, see now, its company is coming, right? Yes or no? So let's close this.
Yes, sir.
Now, maybe worker and employee both are same only. That's why it's coming only one. Okay, it's not an issue. And job requisition is coming. Now, what happened here? You must and should provide the data multiple times here. Correct or not? The same data you are providing multiple times. Then you are getting the data. Now my business user requested, hey, why I could see multiple times prompt value? Why I should provide multiple times? Is it really look and feel good? Is it really look and feel good?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then we should use the prompt set. Then we can use the prompt set guys. Okay. So let me give a try from your end. How you will override these two companies into a single company. How you are going to create the prompt set. Let's give a try. If not, it's just 2 minutes topic I can explain. Okay. You can give it, you can take that. Okay. I think I will request to share the composite report manual. Maybe that composite report manual also should be there for these details. I want to see how many people understand this concept. Okay. I want to know the how many people able to create. This is the composite report step by step, not this one. Why the manual? That's okay. I'm going to share that one. From there, it was there for the step by step. If not, go to this one. Go to this report. Benefit, cost, enrollment, year to year. Correct or not? See how the prompt set created. How the prompt set created. You will create the prompt set as a company, and how that prompt set you are passing into the composite report. Let's give it a try. I don't know. You can just do some research. It's just 5 minutes topic. Give it a try. If not, let me know. I will explain. Okay. So do you understand that? So instead of multiple times, if your sub report is having the same prompt, you don't need to give multiple times in the composite. That repeated prompt values or duplicate prompt values, you will create as a single prompt as a prompt set that you can override the composite report level. Okay, guys.
Yes.
Let's give it a try, guys. So this is the
Yes, sir.
composite report end-to-end examples. Okay, let's complete my report practice first, 128 composite report, and then go to this benefit cost enrollment year to year report, and then go to composite report step by step, one more example for this. Okay, and you will get better understanding of each property, and then let's give a try for the prompt set. Yes, in interview process, I will give you another 2 to 3 examples with the very detailed step by step explanation. I think that is really enough for the reporting job, interview process as well. Okay.